How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification under Gmail account. So if you want to verify your phone number and if you're not being able to verify, then what you need to do is first open up your Google or your Gmail, anything that you're comfortable with. Go for the profile, which is on the upper right. Under your profile, tap on manage your Google account and go for your personal info. And under personal info, you will have contact information, right? So you need to simply go for the phone numbers, and if you have not verified any of the phone numbers, then you can simply tap on the phone number and then you can verify your phone numbers. So in my case, I have just verified my phone numbers. So if you have not verified, then you need to simply tap on the phone number and then you need to verify. But if you're not being able to verify the phone number, then you can simply tap on any one of that number, and then you need to tap on remove number or delete the number, which is on the upper right. So you need to delete the number, and once you delete the number, you need to again try to add the number again. So that's how you can fix the problem of the phone number cannot be used for the verification. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.